Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best postpartum wipes is probably one of the most important postpartum essentials for new mothers, offering soothing relief and gentle cleansing during an already challenging time. Finding the right wipes can make a world of difference in your recovery journey, so we've reviewed several top contenders to help you choose the perfect product for your needs, considering factors like material, ingredients, and overall comfort. Number 5. Frida Mom 2-in-1 Postpartum Pads. Experience ultimate postpartum comfort with our innovative 2-in-1 pads. They combine absorbent protection with soothing cold therapy in one convenient package. It offers complete perineal coverage for maximum comfort and faster healing. The medicated design helps reduce swelling and speeds up recovery. Enjoy instant soothing relief from discomfort. Simply place it in the refrigerator for an extra cooling effect. Made with witch hazel, it's free of harsh chemicals, dyes, and fragrances. It's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. Pack it in your hospital bag for immediate use after delivery. It's ideal for both hospital stays and at-home recovery. Trusted by moms everywhere, these pads are created by Frida Baby, the makers of popular baby care products like Nose Frida and Frida Baby Mom Washer. What we like? It's a 2-in-1 pad with instant cooling relief and no harsh chemicals. If you want a convenient, soothing solution for postpartum discomfort, this is it. It's perfect for those early postpartum days when you need both absorbency and cooling relief. What people say? They do last about 20 minutes. I find that works better if I am using them while reclining as opposed to walking around. They absorb a great amount and stayed nice and cold for so long. They also have a sticky back which helps them stay secure in underwear. These ice packs are amazing because they stay in place and are really absorbent. Number 4. Frida Mom Perineal Pads. Experience soothing comfort with these witch hazel pads. Keep them in the refrigerator for an extra cooling sensation during postpartum recovery. It provides complete perineal coverage, reducing swelling and promoting faster healing. They're designed to fit comfortably under your maternity pads. These pads are made with medicated witch hazel, free of dyes and fragrances. They're gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. Pack these in your hospital bag for immediate postpartum relief. They'll be a welcome comfort during your first bathroom trips after delivery. Each pack contains 24 full coverage liners, providing ample supply for your postpartum recovery. They're a must-have for new moms. These liners are designed to help ease discomfort and promote healing after childbirth. Use them with every bathroom visit for optimal relief. What we like? These pads provide full coverage and cooling relief, all while being free of harsh chemicals. If you're looking for gentle yet effective postpartum care, consider these. They're great for managing swelling and promoting healing. What people say? These are perfect because they are long and cover your whole area for soothing relief. These ones do bunch up a little bit, but they're so convenient and more comfortable than alternatives. The full-length design of the pads is a game-changer. The cooling sensation they provide is incredibly comforting, especially when you're dealing with post-birth pain. The pads stay cool for an extended period, which helps in maintaining relief and reducing the need for frequent changes. Number 3. Frida Mom Postpartum Kit. Welcome to the Frida Mom Postpartum Recovery Essentials Kit. It's designed to make your postpartum recovery journey a little easier and more comfortable. This kit includes everything you need for postpartum recovery: disposable underwear, ice maxi pads, perineal healing foam, and more. It provides pain relief, cooling, and cleansing for afterbirth, perineal tears, stitches, or hemorrhoids. It's all about your comfort and healing. The kit features soft, stretchy, and 100% cotton underwear. It's also latex-free for sensitive skin. This kit takes you through the first 5 steps of the Frida Mom 5-step postpartum recovery regimen. It's a complete system to support your healing. This beautifully packaged kit makes a thoughtful and practical gift for new moms or moms-to-be. It's a gift of comfort and care. What we like? This all-in-one kit has everything you need for postpartum recovery, providing pain relief and a complete regimen. If you want a convenient and comprehensive solution to manage various postpartum discomforts, this kit is for you. It simplifies the recovery process. What people say? The quality of the underwear is much better, and the water bottle is much more comfortable to use than the hospital one too. This is important because you are in a lot of pain and looking after a newborn, so you need to be as comfortable as possible. The caddy it comes in felt unnecessary, but this was actually really helpful in keeping things organized when you really need it most. The disposable underwear were super comfy, and the Instant Ice Maxi pads were a game changer for relief. The quality of the ice packs was amazing, they stayed cold for a long time and really helped with swelling. The Perineal healing foam and pad liners made everything feel so much better too. Shorts are great, they hold everything in place better than the hospital ones. Pads are amazing for the first days. The cooling sensation it gives is great, a lot better than the tuck pads or any other pads. The bottle it comes with is perfect, the angle it gives you helps with rinsing properly and a lot of water comes out, which is great. Number 2. Frida Mom Perineal Foam. It provides soothing comfort to the perineal area. Store it in the refrigerator for an extra cooling sensation. This foam offers pain relief and cooling after childbirth, perineal tears, stitches, or hemorrhoids. It's a must-have for postpartum recovery. It's made with medicated witch hazel, ensuring a gentle and safe experience. It's free of dyes and fragrances. Pack it in your hospital bag and use it during your first postpartum bathroom visit, and continue using it at home. You get a 5-ounce bottle of gentle foam with a convenient pump dispenser. It's easy to use and apply. Simply apply it to the affected area as needed. Its unique foam formulation absorbs quickly and effectively. What we like. This foam offers targeted cooling and pain relief without harsh chemicals. If you need soothing relief from perineal pain or hemorrhoids, this is a great option. It's easy to apply and provides localized comfort. What people say. It was super easy to use and the instructions were very direct and straightforward. Great pain relief, cooling and effective. I healed quicker than I ever did before, and I could really feel the product working. Number 1. Frida Mom Postpartum Pads. It has 6 layers to catch leaks and clots, providing maximum absorbency for postpartum recovery. These pads offer leak-proof protection for heavy flow, whether you've had a vaginal or C-section delivery. With an absorbent core, innovative side walls, and a waterproof bottom, you'll feel confident and protected. The full front-to-back design and soft top layer provide complete coverage and all-day comfort. They're made without fragrance, chlorine, or dye, ensuring gentle care for your sensitive skin. Experience ultimate postpartum protection and comfort with these specially designed pads. They're your reliable partner in recovery. What we like. These pads offer maximum absorbency and leak-proof protection, all while being comfortable. If you're concerned about heavy flow and leaks, this is the best choice. They provide peace of mind and comfort during your recovery. What people say. The absorbency is fantastic. They're thick enough to handle postpartum flow without feeling bulky or uncomfortable. I was pleasantly surprised at how well they held up, keeping me dry and preventing leaks. What really sets these pads apart is their comfort. The material is soft and gentle on sensitive skin, and they have a smooth, breathable surface that helps prevent irritation. They're also discreet enough to wear under regular clothes. High quality and super duty. I had 0 leakage with these. They are absolutely massive, so you probably won't need these after the 2-week mark, but I really appreciated how well these were made and felt confident I wouldn't have any issues while using these. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.